Hey guys, what is up? I'm back like shingles and here to steal your money. Welcome back to another Cooking with Charlie, where today we're going to be making perfectly parched pancakes. It is currently midday, so you get this nice view of the sunlight in the window behind me, which makes me look really bright. So you get this awesome view of just this blinding light, so deal with it. Well, I know what you're not asking, but I'm going to tell you the answer anyway. Why is this video called Cooking with Charlie 2.5? Well, earlier I made this Cooking with Charlie 2 kitchen life hacks. To tell you the truth, it sucked, and I just did not like what came out of it. I mean, kinda all my videos are bad, but I didn't really like how it turned out. That's private, you're not gonna be able to see that. But we're gonna start off new with a 2.5. Now, Sam, you suggested that I do another one. I got that part, I'm doing another one. And you said, do a Burger King foot lettuce. I will eventually. I'm saying this like I'm actually busy. I'm not busy, I'm just lazy. So, next video is gonna come out in like forever. What you're gonna need for the perfectly parched pancakes is some flour and some more flour. Also some egg, milk, butter, salt, and some sugar, but we don't really care about that. Feel welcome to follow along with me at home, because this is really just a really awesome summertime favorite recipe. Basically start off with a cup of flour, and you add about a cup of milk. About that much. And then pretty much you're just gonna add another cup of flour, and then another half cup of flour. Don't wanna take one large egg and just... And don't even bother to wash your hands after you crack the egg, because we're looking to get food poisoning here. That's the whole point, that you want to get food poisoning. And then you're just going to add another cup of flour. And really what it should look like so far is a bucket of flour with a little egg rolling around in there that looks like an old crinkly fruit. And if it doesn't look like that, you're doing it wrong. The sugar, some baking soda, some more flour, some baking powder, and then some more flour. So pretty much from here, I've just added about 3 cups of water, because I know you want it to be parched, but we can go ahead and add some more flour if it's not dry enough for your liking, because I want to be eating out of like the Sahara Desert. Okay, so now you're going to want to take a pan, heavily lubricate it, because we didn't put any butter in the perfectly parched pancake. We don't want any butter actually in it, we just want it so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Because if it does, you just got a big blob on a pan, and it's not what you want. Okay, so you're going to want to put this baby on probably the highest heat possible, because you know what they say in the cooking community. Despacito. Okay, now that your pan, now that your oven, or now that your stove is on the highest heat possible, is where you usually want to spread that burnt butter around as far as you can in the pan, and just take a nice hefty scoop and just plop it right on there. Okay, so what you're going to do now is not burn yourself. Now what you want to do now is you're going to have to flip it. I think using a spatula, in my opinion, is cheating. Okay, I'm going to show you a little trick. Since you lubricated your pan, if you've done it properly, then you should be able to do this. Do a little flipperoonie. Okay, you know you're cooking at the right heat when you smell that nice burning smell. Okay, you can tell when it's done when you see the nice brownish, blackish marks. You can just go ahead, put it onto a heated plate. There you go. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the moment I've definitely been looking forward to, the taste test of the perfectly parched pancake. That's really good. Now I have to clean all this up. Yay.